how to play 4:3 stretch resolution in CS2. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play CS2 in 4:3 stretch resolution to get that wider player model look. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and let's get right into it. First, open up CS2 and go to the settings menu. From there, click on the video tab at the top. Now under video settings, set the aspect ratio to 4:3. Once you do that, select a resolution like 1:280x960 or 1:24x768. These are popular choices for 4:3 stretched. Then for the display mode, make sure it's set to full screen, not windowed or borderless. Full screen is important to actually stretch the image. After you've done that, hit apply changes. Once you do that, your 4:3 resolution will now stretch across your entire screen, no black bars, and you'll have that classic stretched look that a lot of pro players love. And that's it. Now you know how to play CS2 in 4:3 stretch resolution. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more CS2 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.